Okay, so we're going to make our pneumatic spear gun with a quick exhaust valve and some copper parts. We're going to solder each one together and take more pictures as we go. Okay, so we're going to put some flex on the pipe. It doesn't have to be a lot. Alright, and you're also going to put it on the fitting. So again, doesn't have to be very much. Alright, and we also cleaned it with steel wool before. Now we're going to put the pipe on there all the way to the end. Make sure it's all the way to the end. Okay, I'll hold it about right there. Okay. Now we're going to heat it up. Gotta get this ready first. So. Okay. Takes a little while to get hot enough. Here it goes. Alright. So it draws it into the actual fitting. So you got too much on there. It's alright, we'll take that off. But we don't really care because it's not going to be for water. And got a good seal because we're going to be using this for air, so it's not as important. Now each piece is going to have to be about that long so that it will fit into the next part. I'm going to have to edit to that. Burning myself. Okay, so it's better that we get extra on there than too little. So at this point we're going to hit stop. So now, is it filming? Now we're going to just cut our length of pipe. And it just comes right off. Okay, and we're going to do this each segment, but the next segment we're going to put two pieces on at the same time. So now we're going to clean these pipes and get this real clean, and then the inside of the pipe really clean, because this is going to be the other side. Okay, so it's nice and shiny, and then you don't let it touch the ground. This is still warm, so I'm going to get that clean again. Okay. There we go. And now I'm going to clean the insides. Just get off all the grease. There, that looks real good. Okay, pause.
Filming.
Okay, so now we're just gonna put some flex. I'm using water soluble because I'm gonna rinse it off and clean it afterwards. So we got the inside of the elbow done, and I'm going to do the next part right here. Alright, and we want this fitted all the way in, all the way to the very end. And you can see it on the inside if you look down in there. can't see it on the camera, but you would see it anyways. Now I'm going to put some more flux on here. You don't need as much as I'm putting on there, but it's not a big deal if you do. All right, and now we're going to put that into this piece right here. Push it on all the way. Perfect. Okay, so there's not much gap here, and that's good because even more pressure. All right, so go ahead and hold that. Actually, let's do this a little higher. Go ahead and just pause for a second. All right, so with this, we're gonna just heat the elbow right there. We're gonna tilt that just a little. Okay, hold that right there. Hold it steady. Ooh, it looks terrible. Good. Let me check this out. All right, pause it. Okay, so you can use a couple bottles. I'm going to actually use this one, which is a MAP gas bottle for my actual Speargun. This is a piece that you can buy at any hardware store that sells propane parts, and it's a propane bottle to 1/4 inch pipe adapter, and then I just put a quick release on it. So you don't have to have the quick release on it. And it looks just like this. And so that fits on any of these bottles. So now I'm going to use this for my torch. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing again on this side. There's an extra step with this. I'm just going to make a cut. So I'm going to see how much I need, plus about 1/4 inch. So that looks good. All right. And now I'm going to clean it. Go ahead and pause. So what I did is I got the 1/2 inch adapter, and I screwed it in real tight, but you can see it's a little offset because when I finally tighten it, I want a little extra give, and I want this to be straight. So I lined it up first. I've put the flux on it beforehand, and I also cleaned it. So now I'm going to take that off. And at this point, I'm going to do my last, I'm going to do my last solder on it. Okay, so this is the last one that needs to be soldered. I'm going to do that now. Go ahead and okay, so this is a 3/8 copper pipe with a 3/8 pipe to thread adapter going into this QEV that I bought on eBay. The QEV is 1/2 inch in the other outlets. Here's a steel adapter to 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch. And now we're going to add all of our goodies that we made. So I got to put that in a different angle. Fill. Okay, so I've made my Speargun with the fishing arrow spear that I've made. I made the rear end of it to fit into the 3/8 pipe, which I glued a cup link for support. But now I'm going to make a new barrel for it, MAP gas compressed air with the closed valve and the quick release. So you can fill that up without any problem. Now I'm going to change the barrel. I bought a crossbow bolt and took the end off, and that's a 1/4 inch diameter inside, 22-inch bolt from Walmart for $3.50. And then I bought a piece of brake line, 1/4 inch outside diameter, and they also had the adapter. So this goes to 1/4 inch pipe. I had to get a 3/8 pipe adapter from Ace Hardware with that 1/4 inch, so it'll fit right here on my 3/8 inch QEV valve. Now I have to cut one of the tips off. I'm going to use my pipe cutter for that, and I will show you what that looks like as soon as I'm done. Alright, now that I've used the tubing cutter to cut the tip off of this, there's a tubing cutter, and here's what the piece that came off. Now I can just slide these off. See, they just come right off. I'm going to leave this one on because that's what I'm going to attach to this. So I'm going to put some tape on it, although I don't need tape on this one, I'll need tape here. And I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and assemble that, this, and change it onto here. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. Okay, I've attached that. As you can see, there's 3 reductions. It's not the ideal setup, but it's the easiest to get to work. So again, here it is. Now I can just slide this right over the end. And now I have my Airgun. So I went from a underwater spear gun to an Airgun, and next we'll shoot it.